In this video, we'll be telling about how to protect any PDF file with password. For this, you don't need to install any third-party application. For this, you can use either PC or smartphone. Here, I am using smartphone. After taking your smartphone, open any browser. In laptop also, open any browser. After that, in browser, search for Ilovepdf. When you are searching for Ilovepdf, you can see a result like this, www.ilovepdf.com. Click on that website. When you are opening that website, scroll down. When you are scrolling down, you can see one option, Protect PDF. Click on Protect PDF. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Here you can see one option, Select PDF file. Click on Select PDF file. When you are clicking on that, some options will come. Here you can see Files option. Click on Files. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select any PDF file which you want to protect with password. For example, I am selecting this file. After selecting that file, side here you can see Settings option. Click on Settings. Here you can see Type Password. Type the password which you want to set for this PDF. For example, I am typing one password. After that, down here you can see Repeat Password. Again enter that password. After that, down here you can see Protect PDF. Click on Protect PDF. Now you can see adding password to PDF. Within few seconds, a new page will come like this. Here you can see Download Protected PDF. Click on Download Protected PDF. When you are clicking on that, you can download that PDF file. Now that file is downloaded and I am opening this file. Now when I am trying to open this file, you can see Enter Password. I am entering that password. After entering password, I am clicking OK. Now that file is opened. So this way you can protect any PDF file with password. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.